In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on eBay step by step. Whether you're new to selling online or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process to ensure your transactions run smoothly. First, you'll need to hop onto the eBay website. As soon as the page loads, take a look at the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the sign in option. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on that to enter your credentials. Remember, keeping your login information secure is crucial. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a section labeled My eBay. Click on this link. It's like your hub for everything related to your eBay account. Under this section, you'll notice a link called Selling. This is where you manage all your sales activities. Click on Selling, and it will take you to a new page filled with options tailored for sellers. On this new page, look for the link that says Orders. This section keeps track of everything your customers have purchased from you. Click on Orders, and you'll find yourself on a page dedicated to managing your transactions. Now, it's important to note that my screen might look a bit different if there are no current orders shown, but don't worry, once you have orders coming in, they will be listed here. Now, assuming you have active orders, the next task is to locate any items where the buyer hasn't completed payment yet. It's vital to understand that eBay allows you to send invoices only before the payment has been made. This is your opportunity to remind buyers and make necessary adjustments before they finalize their transaction. Next to the order, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled More Actions. Give that a click, and from the options select Send Invoice. You'll be redirected to a page showing the invoice details. On this page, you have the flexibility to review and ensure everything is correct, such as the item details, shipping costs, and any other relevant info that needs to be included. Finally, with everything reviewed and ready to go, click the Send Invoice button. When you do this, the buyer will receive the updated invoice directly. This not only prompts them to complete the payment, but also provides a seamless experience for both you and your buyer. And there you have it, a straightforward way to send an invoice on eBay, ensuring you maintain professional and efficient communication with your buyers. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on eBay.